lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Gnomes take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hi Earth Signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for October the 5th to October the 9th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. So kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. At nagre-release din po tayo ng mga video doon sa ating kabilang channel. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Magsimula na tayo. So, Earth signs. Ang nakikita natin dito, parang gusto nating sabihin or gustong sabihin ni person. Now, this could be you, this could be your person. You can switch the energies. What I am reading here is dynamic, by the way. So, parang gustong sabihin dito nung taong itong binabasahan ko na I can be the one who can change your life. Not only siguro romantically, no? It can also be through financially. Very vocal. This is what I am seeing. Kumbaga, sobrang hinahayag, no, nitong taong ito yung kanyang nararamdaman para sa taong iniibig niya. And it kind of make me feel na parang sinasabi nito sa sarili niya na, alam mo, naniniwala ako na ikaw yung itinadhana sa akin, no? Ikaw yung taong karapat-dapat para sa akin. Nakikita ko yung sarili ko, no? Sa iyo, or nakikita ko yung sarili ko with you, for the longest time, or mag-create ng family. Nakakakita rin ako dito na chances are there are a lot of parang signs na pinaniniwalaan, sinasabing binigay, no, ng universe, no, para sa inyong dalawa. I can really see the enthusiasm. I can really see yung parang sinasabi natin ditong hindi naman sa hayok, no? I think hayok is a very strong word to describe this, but more of naniniwala kasi ako, no, na I'm very sure na tayong dalawa ang para sa isa't isa. Parang I can be your Bonnie and Clyde, no, partners in crime, not really in literal form. Parang you're my yin and yang, no? Parang tayong asukal at kape. Ooh. I don't want to be racist here. Baka, I think that's a compliment, no? It could be really isa mestiza, isa medyo colored skin, no? Why am I seeing skin color, no? Skin color, the reason why I said it is not because to sabihin nating to humiliate someone else's color. Every color is beautiful, di ba? Binabagayan talaga yan. And meron talagang, everyone is equally created. Parang sinasabi dito, I don't also believe na I'm also seeing some races, no? Races because of let's say, yung tradition ng family ko naniniwala na saka lahi ko lang ako magpapakasal. We are breaking traditions in here. No, parang ipinaglalaban natin dito is more of our love. No, we are meant to break some rules in here. So the Three of Cups and the Queen of Cups. So parang sinasabi mo dito, are you planning? No, someone here is actually planning to either surprise the other person, ask the other person out. I can also see here na parang gusto kong magkaanak with you. Uh, or gusto kong dagdagan yung anak with you. This is very mothering, no? Very parang close family ties type of energy. Now with the two of swords and the chariot, I feel like these couples were separated in physical form. No, merong distance in physical form dito sa couple na ito. It could be someone is in the province or went abroad, other part of the world. Yun ang naging challenge dito sa relationship na ito. Chances are more of physical rather than energetic, no? If there's an energetic here, separation, it felt like it all boils down to the distance pa rin. Doon pa rin siya lalaglagan, no? Merong sabihin nating dahil sa layo, sa agwat ng ating physical, no, na katayuan, yun yung nagiging issue nating dalawa. But I am still waiting. I am hoping and I am preparing, no, for your return. Let's clarify the Two of Swords, clarified by the Ace of Cups and the Lovers. So what I am seeing in here is kahit nagkaroon ng separation, kahit nagkaroon nga ng challenges, no? Parang sinasabi dito ng taong ito, naniniwala pa rin ako, no, na tayo pa rin sa isa't isa, na ikaw pa rin ang aking magiging panghabang buhay. At ang nakikita ko dito, siguro more of spiritually inclined. Yung isa, parang sinasabi nitong taong ito na naniniwala ako na we are either soulmate or twin flames, no? I think that this is more of a twin flame energy. Ano nga ba yung twin flame? This is a Seven of Pentacles, no? So, a brief definition of a twin flame. Twin flame is much intense, no, than soulmate, no? Twin flame is a kind of relationship na kailangan, ang mission kasi nito is magtagpo silang dalawa, no? Chances are this is more of a challenging situation dahil yung isa na unang ipanganak, or sometimes the other person is searching for the twin flame in their lifetime, no? So ang challenges nito is to finish the mission na mag-isa sila uli, kumbaga mag-blend sila uli, magkaroon ng combination, no? Maging isa yung energy nila, no? One of the challenges in here is the timing, no? Kasi parehas naghahanapan, hahabulan, minsan nauunang ipanganak, no? Yung kaya hindi rin natin masisisi na baka meron din ditong May-December love affair. It might not be, no? May konting agwat, no? Or we could be talking about some maturity in here. Was the Seven of Pentacles in here, the not so distant future. It felt like parang meron ditong nag-extend. So, kahit gaano pa katagal, no? Kahit gaano pa katagal itong pag-aantay ko sa iyo, I will I am I'm still be waiting, or I am willing to wait, for your return. So with the devil card in here and the hanged man, kumbaga sabihin natin kung meron mang nagawa, no? Kung ito ay isang parusa or binibigyan mo ako ng leksyon, no? Ang sinasabi nitong taong ito, willing naman ako na mag-antay doon sa tamang panahon kung kailan mo ako mapapatawad, no? Mabibigyan ng chance para bigyan ng, or i-embrace muli sa iyong feeling, no? With the devil card clarified by the page of swords and the page of cups. So nakakakita rin ako dito na kahit merong separations, I believe that there are conversations. It may not be frequent, pero this is through online, no? This is siguro yung isa gumagawa na ng way or plans para sa either wedding, cohabitation, or pagbuo ng family, no? May flipper, which is the Four of Pentacles, and we have the Emperor. So ang nakikita natin dito, parang more of gusto ko pag uwi ko, pag nakita tayo uli, akin ka na. I'm going to keep you, no? I'm going to treat you like an empress or an emperor that you supposed to be treated. Ang ganda kasi dahil parang kahit nagkaroon ng separations, mas lalong tumitindi, no? Again, the separations here can be physical or energetic. No, mas lalong tumitindi itong nararamdaman, mas lalong tumitindi itong intensity, no, ng pag-iibigan. Ang nakakatuwa pa dito, no, kasi parang I'm going to give you or place you also in a pedestal, no, handa kitang pagsilbihan. But let's clarify the Four of Pentacles. Four of Pentacles is clarified by the World card and the Judgment. So parang nakakita ko dito na by next year, ito yung months, no, na magde-decide sila, why not show up in person, no? Yung flesh, in flesh, na makita, mahawakan, makausap face to face, no? I believe na merong ditong uuwi, magpapakita, no? Para mabuo yung plan. I think na itong plan na ito is napakaganda kasi kitang-kita naman yung pagsasama. Kitang-kita naman yung sinasabi nating sincerity, no, ng pagbuo ng either family, cohabitation, or marriage, or proposal, no? So, this is your reading, Earth signs. Tingnan natin, no? Silipin natin ang mga zodiac signs. This could be your person's sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, I am seeing Libra, Aries, Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, Virgo, Gemini, Pisces, Sagittarius, so Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, na Capricorn are also here. Yan, so this is your reading, no, Earth signs. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And Kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome. Nagre-release din po tayo ng mga videos doon. Might as well check on it. No, ibang video yung nire-release natin doon ha. So, we also have Facebook exclusive, TikTok exclusive. So, I hope that you can follow me on all social media accounts. Kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na tanong sa comment section, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating description box. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Ngayon, dun sa website po na yon, sa baba po na dun yung mga QR codes. The QR codes po are labeled. So, nandun po yung name and number for your reference. I also created a 4 questions plus 1, so take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa QR code. Pakihanap na lang. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Earth Signs.